Hi, tech enthusiasts and gadget lovers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation and cutting-edge technology. If you're on the hunt for the latest and greatest gadgets that are guaranteed to elevate your lifestyle, you're in the right place. From devices that'll make your everyday tasks a breeze to mind-blowing inventions that redefine what's possible, we've scoured the tech landscape to bring you the 12 coolest gadgets that you absolutely need in your life. So make sure you stick around till the end to manage your daily life right at your fingertips. Alright, folks, without further ado, let's jump into our list of the 12 coolest gadgets you want in your life. Number 1. Sony SRS-NS7 Neckband Bluetooth Speaker. Combining technology and creativity while eliminating the constraints of wires, the brand has developed an extraordinary speaker. What sets this speaker apart is its ability to analyze the shape of your ears and construct an optimal combination of virtual Dolby Atmos speakers, resulting in a personalized sound feel for each user. With a power output of 6 watts, this system operates for an impressive 12 hours on a single charge. The flexible neckband adds convenience, whether you're enjoying a serene movie night or engaging in a thrilling virtual battle. Number 2. Cryptex USB Flash Drive 32 GB. The author of the immensely popular novel, The Da Vinci Code, Dan Brown, ingeniously combined the words cryptology and code to create the neologism Cryptex. This term refers to a secure storage system for confidential data. While the novel provides a detailed description of a cryptex, numerous manufacturers have since produced their own versions. Displayed on the screen is one such cryptex, which conceals a flash drive within its cylinder. Without knowledge of the correct code, the flash drive remains locked inside. Crafted from a combination of zinc, brass, and leather, this particular cryptex offers varying flash drive capacities ranging from 16 to 256 GB. Additionally, it includes a velvet pouch for safekeeping. Number 3. Kodak Step Wireless Mini Color Printer. Kodak, founded by a bank clerk, made an early marketing move by selling $1 cameras. When customers ran out of film, they would return the cameras to Kodak, who would replace the film, print the photos from the first roll, and send everything back. This tradition of surprising people continues even today, exemplified by their mini printer. This compact device enables users to print 5 by 8 cm photos directly from their smartphones. With the user-friendly Kodak Step app, even amateurs can effortlessly edit their photos. A single charge allows for printing 25 pictures, and the mini printer is designed to be resistant to moisture, stains, and tears. Its convenient size makes it portable enough to fit in the back pockets of your jeans. Number 4. Grabo Pro-Lifter. A revolutionary tool that will transform the way you handle materials. Presenting on the screen is an electric suction cup equipped with a vacuum pump and an intelligent internal system. The digital display provides all the essential data you need. This remarkable device boasts a remarkable load capacity of 170 kilograms, allowing you to work with various materials such as metal, glass, ceramics, wood, plastic, and more. A fully charged battery provides an impressive 900 cycles or 90 minutes of uninterrupted work. Number 5. Hatch Restore Personal Sleep Routine. Experience unrivaled relaxation, longer and more restful sleep, and wake up feeling rejuvenated with ease. The creators of this remarkable alarm clock stated that after 2 weeks, 59% of subjects reported reduced stress levels, while 24% felt noticeably more energetic. So what's the secret behind this extraordinary device? It's simple yet effective. The alarm clock simulates a sunrise, awakening you not only with sound, but also with gentle light, waking up in a natural and gradual manner, thanks to the thoughtful design. The alarm clock offers a wide range of settings, allowing you to adjust the brightness and shade of the lights and even choose from a special library of natural sounds. It is compatible with both Android and iOS phones, equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, and can also serve as a night light. This alarm clock is a worthwhile investment in your sleep and overall well-being. Number 6. Nitecore Tiny Monster TM28 LED Flashlight. Power outages can occur unexpectedly, and in 2003, a significant blackout left 10 million people in Canada and 40 million people in the US without electricity. To ensure you're never caught in the dark, we highly recommend keeping a reliable flashlight handy, especially one that proves useful in both indoor and outdoor settings. This particular model offers an impressive beam range of 454 meters and features 8 different operating modes. Heat-dissipating fins provide protection against overheating, while the ATR system automatically adjusts the brightness to prevent overpowering. Additionally, this flashlight is waterproof and can withstand immersion in water up to a depth of 2 meters. The lens is constructed with toughened mineral glass for durability and is further safeguarded against mechanical damage. Notably, the built-in OLED display conveniently provides information on the approximate run time, temperature, and other relevant data. Number 7. The onesie that monitors your baby. High-tech helicopter parent. This one's for you. The Mimo Baby Shirt measures infant respiration, skin temperature, body position, sleep patterns, and activity levels. The organic, of course, cotton onesie is fitted with machine-washable sensors that can be monitored in real time through your home's Wi-Fi network. It also includes a microphone, so that you can stream your baby's sound to your smartphone, and the accompanying app allows you to crunch analytics about your baby's sleep patterns. Number 8. Capstone Smart Mirror Wardrobe. In certain fairy tales, characters often turn to a magic mirror for guidance. However, did you know that nowadays anyone can own the magic mirror? While the enchantment may have been replaced by smart technology, this mirror offers an array of features. It allows you to check your email, watch videos, listen to music, engage in muscle stretches, and even remember important dates like other people's birthdays. This mirror is designed to be smartphone-friendly, seamlessly connecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Standing at a height of 152 centimeters, it provides an excellent perspective to assess your new look. Along with the mirror, you receive fashion guides and beauty tutorials to enhance your styling experience. Number 9. Ocoopa 2-pack hand warmers and Union 5s. Imagine a gadget with million hours that provide 15 hours of usage on a single charge, a power bank function, and the ability to withstand 4 temperature ranges. This hand warmer is not only practical, but also fascinating. Weighing a mere 240 grams, it effortlessly fits into the pockets of your jacket or raincoat without hindering your movements. It offers 4 heat levels, starting at 63 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, it features a quick reload system, allowing you to swiftly replace the battery. Number 10. Cigarette case with a lighter. Weighing only 150 grams, this accessory is lightweight and easy to carry. It can hold up to 10 cigarettes, and the flame height is adjustable to suit individual preferences. Interestingly, the overall design of this lighter may pique the interest of DIY enthusiasts, as it offers the possibility of incorporating additional functions with the right skills and creativity. Number 11. Titanium Min Pill Case Keychain. Introducing a versatile keychain that doubles as a pill case. Crafted from hypoallergenic titanium, it offers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and is non-conductive, ensuring the optimal protection and temperature control for your medications. Weighing a mere 11 grams, it comes with a lanyard and a ring, allowing easy attachment to your bag or backpack. With its double protection, you can trust that your medications will remain secure even in extreme situations. Number 12. Kahtoola Microspikes Footwear. When it comes to ensuring stability and grip on icy or snowy terrain, these crampons are a must-have for anyone, including fishermen, hikers, and runners. Each pad is equipped with 12 1-centimeter spikes, making them ideal for navigating icy surfaces, hard-packed snow, and even slippery rocks. Whether you need them for dirt trails or urban environments where a quieter option is preferred, there are models available to suit your needs. A pair of small-sized crampons weighs approximately 312 grams, providing a lightweight and portable solution for enhancing stability during outdoor activities. And there you have it, our top picks for the 12 coolest gadgets that can truly transform the way you live, work, and play. From smart home innovations to portable wonders, the world of tech never ceases to amaze us. If any of these gadgets caught your attention, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep embracing the future.